If you have finished your Unity app and you wanted more places to advertise, one place is Simber.io. What you want to do is you want to change it to HTML5 Webgl, and you upload the file onto Simber.io, and it will give you a backlink, and you can embed the web page and play it on your website. So here I am, I'm on my website, and I love this because I have the link to Google Play on there. Click on Google Play link, it goes straight to the game on Google Play. Then, and you can click on the new button and the game will load. And that is excellent advertising for your game, which I really, really like. Then I also want to go back to Simbers.io. The game that you uploaded to the website, you can have a tip this developer, and someone can tip you. You can have a share, so you can share that with anyone, and they can click on it. Analytics, once you do the marketing. But this is excellent to give you like another backlink for your web page. I highly, highly, highly recommend this. Also, when I didn't upload a whole game to the server just because it can't handle the size, but at least it can handle an introduction to your Unity game or Unreal. Here I have a hidden object Victorian house that I created. It has level 1 and level 2. Click on level 1 and voila, there goes the game. So I look at that. Isn't that wonderful? So I highly recommend Simmer.io. Everybody have a great day.